Good morning, student. Welcome back. Okay, yesterday we came to know that where the Kabaddi game was originated. It was originated in India. It became popular in many of the countries later on. International events were organized and there were new international rules were also implemented, and that has been followed by all of the Kabaddi players. But several other Kabaddi styles such as Sanjeevani, Gemini and Amar etc. are followed in different parts of India, and the rules and regulations were according to that where it is played. तो हमें पता चला कि कबड्डी कहाँ से आया, ये इंडिया से ओरिजिनेट हुआ है. उसके बाद इतनी प्रचलित हो गई, इतनी पहचान मिली उसकी कि इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे खेला जाने लगा और उसके बाद में इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स होने लगे और उसकी वजह से इंटरनेशनल रूल्स वगैरह लागू हो गए वहाँ पे उस गेम्स के लिए. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी कि कबड्डी कितने प्लेयर्स के साथ खेला जाता है. रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस एंड ऑल आर मेंशन इन द गिवन पैराग्राफ. ओके, इन कबड्डी 2 teams of 7 members each face each other in a flat rectangular court divided by a midline. The game is usually played in 2 halves with a half break in between. Okay, break in between. To play the game, each team sends raiders. It's here. The game is usually played in 2 halves with the half-time break in between. After the break, the team exchange their sides in the court. Yesterday I showed you. Again I will be explaining that. See, there is a rectangular court, okay, and it is divided into 2 parts. The middle one, that is the midline. One team will be playing over here and the other will be there. Okay, half of the game is divided into 2 halves. One of these player will be playing here and the other there. After finishing the half time, this player will go to that side and that player will be coming to this side. इस तरह ये रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस उसके जब स्टार्ट किए जाते हैं. ओके, to play the game, each team sends raider across the midline to the other team. You know it very well. When the game starts, each team what it does, he sends its raider to attack to the other team. Midline to the other team, the raider tries to tag the opponents and run back to his side all in one breath. Means he will go to tag, मतलब उसे सामने वाले को पकड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, उसको टच करने की, टैगिंग दैट से टच करके they have to return back to their position, okay, and run back to this side all in one breath, only single breath. Okay, they have to go there, touch, make the opponent out and return back in a one breath. To show that he isn't inhaled again, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi all the time. To show that he hasn't inhaled, मतलब ये है कि आपको एक ही सांस में, when you go there to attack, you don't, एक जो ब्रीथ लेते हैं उसी ब्रीथ में आपको रिटर्न करना है. तो दैट इज रूल्स है वो. To show that he hasn't inhaled again, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi. When he goes to attack to the opponent team, पास जब जाते हैं तो ये से कंटिन्यूसली कबड्डी 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 ऐसा कंटिन्यूसली उनको बोलता रहना पड़ता है. अनलेस इट रिटर्न्स बैक, टच करके रिटर्न नहीं आता है. दैट प्रूव्स दैट ही हैज़ नॉट इनहेल्ड, मतलब ये माना जाएगा तब कि वो उसने सांस नहीं ली. वो अगर बीच में वो सांस लेता है देन इट इज़ आउट ऑफ द होल. If he has to inhale again, he is out. See, if he has to inhale again, अगर उसको वहीं पे सांस लेना पड़े तो it means he is out. The opponents try to catch the raider and stop him going to his half till he loses his breath and has a inhale again. Means what the opponent will do, he will make him to get out. He will try to hold that person जो रेडर आया है उसको पकड़ने की कोशिश करेंगे, उसको रोकने की कोशिश करेंगे जब तक उसकी सांस, मतलब वो दूसरी बार सांस लेने के लिए उसको महसूस ना हो. व्हेन यू डोंट, मतलब एकदम एग्जॉस्ट होके वो इनहेल ना करे. तो ये एक ओपोनेंट का ये काम रहता है. जब तक वो रोक, मतलब उसको अपनी सांस रोकने में नाकामयाबी जब होती है तो वो दूसरी सांस लेगा, तो तब तक उसको रोक के रखना उनका काम होता है ओपोनेंट का. The opponent tried to catch the raider and stop him going back to his half till the loses breath and has to inhale again. If the raider manages to go successfully, all the persons in he has tagged and all those who have touched him are declared out. Abhi, what is this? Another rule. If the raider manages to go successfully, means जो अटैक करने के लिए रेडर है, if he successfully किसी को टच करते रिटर्न बैक होता है सांस लेने से पहले, देन इट मीन्स वो जिसको जिसको छुआ है या उसको जिसने जिसने छुआ है, दे आर आउट. All the person he has tagged and all those who has touched him are declared out. जिसे जिसे उसने छुआ है या उसको जिसने पकड़ा है, अगर इसके छूने के इसमें अगर वो सक्सेसफुली अपने टीम में वापस लौट आता है, इसका मतलब जिन्होंने भी उसे छुआ है या रेडर ने जिसको भी छुआ है वो पर्सन आउट हो चुके. फॉर ईच प्लेयर डिक्लेयर्ड आउट द अपोजिट टीम स्कोर्स अ पॉइंट. तो दूसरा इसको जिन्होंने रेडिंग करके ये पॉइंट्स कमाए उनको पॉइंट मिल जाता है. If all the 7 players in a team are out, the opposite team gets bonus points a lona. Okay. If the 7 players, जितने भी 7 players ऐसे ओपोनेंट है, अगर वो सब टीम में आउट हो जाते हैं तो जो दूसरा जो टीम है उसको बोनस पॉइंट्स मिलता है एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज लोना. द टीम विद द मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स विन्स द मैच एंड द टीम विच गेट मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स एंड वो स्कोर करता है वो then he is called as a winner of that match. The game of kabaddi requires good health, muscular strength, strategic skills, a lot of practice and above all great determination. Okay, what is essential for the kabaddi player? He should have a good health, muscular strength, he should have strategic skills, means planning against the other opponents, how to make the opponent out. A lot of practice and above all great determination towards the game. Okay, Indian girls and boys have always excelled at kabaddi. Would you like to be an ace kabaddi player when you are a little older? Now they are asking us whether you will become a good kabaddi player when you are little older. मतलब थोड़े बड़े होने के बाद क्या आप कबड्डी प्लेयर बनना चाहोगे, क्योंकि काफ़ी इंडियन गर्ल्स और बॉयज़ ने कबड्डी में नाम कमाया है. Who knows, if you make a resolve now, one day you may help win glory of your school, district or even the state and the country. मतलब कौन बोल सकता है, अगर आप लोग में से किया हो सकता है कि एक दिन आप अपने स्कूल का नाम रोशन करें, अपना डिस्ट्रिक्ट का, अपना स्टेट का एंड इवन योर कंट्री. ओके, so this is what in this lesson about the kabaddi. I hope you got it. कबड्डी कहाँ से आया है? इंडिया से. It is originated from India. It has 7 members in each team. 2 teams are there. Each team has 7 members and it is played in a rectangular court divided in the midline. Okay, as I shown in the over here, this is a midline. This is a rectangle court. One half will be played and after the one half the players will change their position. Then the person who goes for raiding, he has to chant kabaddi kabaddi. He has to not इनेल, एक बार सांस लेना है, दूसरी बार सांस लेने से पहले उसे रिटर्न बैक टू हिज टीम. दैट इज द रूल्स. ही हैज टू टैग, किसी को छू के आना है या कोई उसे छूता है एंड इज सक्सेसफुली रिटर्निंग बैक, दे आर सपोज टू बी कॉल्ड एज द, मतलब वो जो उसके ओपोनेंट है, वो जिन्होंने भी उसको छुआ है या इस रेडर ने जिसे भी छुआ है वो पार्टिसिपेंट या वो प्लेयर को आउट माना जाएगा एंड दे विल बी स्कोरिंग द पॉइंट्स. उसके बाद इफ ऑल द मेंबर्स आर आउट, ऑल द 7 members are out, the opponent will get the bonus point that is called as lona. Okay, and the team who gets maximum points is said to be the winner of the match. So this is all it is mentioned in this lesson. I hope you got it. The kabaddi. Most of the students might be knowing how to play kabaddi and rules and regulation. Also, they might be knowing. So this lesson will be easy for these students who know the game very well. Okay. Bye. See you in the next lecture. I have finished your lecture. Here are some of the assignments. Okay. And here you can see the positive and the comparative degree. Degree of comparison. Everybody might be knowing that there is 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative degree. Superlative degree ends with the EST, comparative ER, and positive is the same as this. See here. Here are some of the assignment has to be sorted out. Note that we usually use my paper is notes, but you can identify it. Comparative ends with ER, superlative with EST, and you use more and more for the longer adjective. If the adjective contains more words, then there we had to use more or most. This is beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. You don't say it as beautifuler, beautifulest. Okay, तो उसमें हम मोर का यूज़ करते हैं या मोस्ट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं जब वो वर्ड्स का बड़ा होता है. ओके. See here, IS. Here some of the example given here. Attractive is a big word. We use more attractive for comparative degree, most attractive for the superlative degree. Interesting is also the bigger word adjective, and it can be written as more interesting in comparative degree, most interesting in superlative degree. Okay, this is how the degrees and of the comparison are shown over here. Bye. See you in the next lecture.